How to video. MagniLink PCViewer. Use your mouse pointer to control the unit through the icons on the top of the screen. The first icon, all the way to the left, will shift between natural colors and grayscale mode. The next button will toggle between different high contrast modes. The minus and plus buttons are used to decrease or increase magnification. Overview takes you to the lowest magnification and back to your preferred magnification. Here you can set autofocus on or off. Manual focus lets you adjust the focus manually. The next ones are contrast buttons. Use them to increase or decrease contrast. These arrow buttons are used for reference line and curtains. Press to toggle between the different modes. The next two buttons with a light bulb control the light of the unit. Press them to increase or decrease the light of the unit. Picture. Press this button to take a picture. Today's date and time is chosen as standard for the file name. Press the next button, Open, to open a saved picture. Video recording. Press Record to record a video. Today's date and time is chosen as standard for the file name. A red recording symbol is now activated and shown in the lower right corner. Turn the recording off by pressing the video recording button again. Video recording stopped. The recording icon in the lower right corner is now gone. The next button is used to open a recorded video. Image rotation. Press to rotate the image. Mirroring. Press to mirror the image. Freeze the image, and defreeze the image. If your unit has OCR and text-to-speech activated, press OCR to take a picture and start the reading. Press the next button to see the full image that the camera sees. To the right there is an arrow. Click on it to show the rest of the menu if it's not shown. Notepad. Press this icon to take an image and show it in the Notepad tool. Here you can write, highlight and add text to the image. Split modes. Press to toggle between different available split modes. Choose between horizontal split and vertical split. Always on top. Make sure that your MagniLink software is always on top on your desktop. The Help button activates the user's manual. Thank you for watching this video. Find out more about our solutions at lviglobal.se.